Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream with eggs and sugar. First, you'll need to carefully separate your egg whites from the yolks. It's crucial that absolutely no yolk gets into the whites, as this can prevent them from whipping properly. Make sure your mixing bowl and whisk are completely clean and dry before you begin this step. Once your egg whites are separated, begin whipping them on medium speed. As they start to get foamy and form soft peaks, gradually add your granulated sugar, about 1 tablespoon at a time, while continuing to whip. Keep whipping until the mixture is glossy and holds stiff peaks, meaning they stand up straight when you lift the whisk. Now, gently fold in your chilled heavy cream into the whipped egg white mixture. Use a spatula and a light hand to maintain the airy texture. This is also the time to incorporate any flavorings you desire, such as 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix until everything is just combined and the cream looks smooth and uniform. Your delicious homemade whipped cream with eggs and sugar is now ready to be served. It's best enjoyed immediately for the freshest taste and texture. If you happen to have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Also, for other great deals and that link for darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.